And they're away and racing for the Queen Elizabeth II Cup. Even dispatched from the get to all the runners in acquired taste, and Borsellino had decided to be at the back of the field as they passed the winning post for the first time. The bottom weighted Arabian Warrior in the white and black goes out in front from Ace Dancer in second spot. Two behind is Captain Courageous is in third. Another 2.5, 3 length behind is Artesia. The Calcutta Oaks winner settle back in fourth. They're racing in an Indian file as they pass the 2,400 meter marker now. After that is Astapi. Borsellino making a quick forward move. Second last is the top weighted and acquired taste. 3 behind at the back of the field there is Mountain Range. There's a run past the 2,000 meter marker. Arabian Warrior, 3 in front of Ace Dancer, sporting the red and white. Another 3.5 length behind in the gold and brown is Captain Courageous. 2 behind Borsellino, making a forward move as they pass the 1,800. 4 behind is Artesia, being tracked there by Astapi. 3 away there is an acquired taste. Another 2.5, 3 length behind. Still in the rear there is Mountain Range. They're going out of my view now with Arabian Warrior, 2.5 lengths ahead of Ace Dancers in chase in second as they pass the 1,600. 4.5 lengths behind is Captain Courageous. Another 4 behind is Borsellino. Another 3.5 lengths behind is Artesia. 3 away is Astapi. Another 2.5 lengths behind is the Quiet Taste, now making a slide forward move. 4 behind. Back of the field there is Mountain Range as they pass the 14. Arabian Warrior bowling along in front, 3.5 lengths ahead of Ace Dancer. Captain Courageous is ranging on the far side as they pass the 1,200. 5 behind is Borsellino, another 2.5 lengths behind is Artesia. 3 away is Astapi, another 2.5 lengths behind is an acquired taste. Second last as they pass the 1,000 meter marker. 6 lengths away is Mountain Range. With about 800 meters left from judging, this is the Queen Elizabeth II Cup. Arabian Warrior, half in front of Captain Courageous. 3 behind is Ace Dancers, dropping slightly back, being tracked there by Borsellino, making a forward move. Very close behind is Artesia with 600 in balance. Then there's Astapi. 2 behind is an acquired taste, now making a forward move. 5 behind is Mountain Range as the head turn for home. Round the town and into the street, Arabian Warrior, length and a half ahead of Captain Courageous in second spot. Artesia making a forward move on the near side. Borsellino is on the far side. But Arabian Warrior kicks on a length and a quarter ahead of Captain Courageous, moving up strongly in the center. Artesia being switched over on the far side. You can forget about an acquired tail. But Captain Courageous has gone away. Is about 2.5 lengths ahead of Artesia and Arabian Warrior. But Captain Courageous in the Queen Elizabeth II Cup. Artesia is second. After that is Arabian Warrior, Borsellino, Astapi and acquired taste. Mountain Range second last. Last